Hello boys and girls, so I'm going to go over lesson 4.1 and it is on page 153. So if you need to pause the video so that you can look for page 153, please do so now. Page 153. Alright, so this is lesson 4.1 and this is counting back. So the essential question is, how can you count back 1, 2, or 3? So in the picture we see that we are starting at 9. So we are starting at 9 and we are going to count back by 1. So we're counting back 1. So if we count back 1, the answer is 8. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 2, so if we're going to count back 2 now, not 1, we're counting back 2. So I have 1, 2. So 9 minus 2 is 7. Now we're going to continue on. So I have 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. So that means we're going to count back 3 times. So I have 9, counting back 1, 2, 3. When I count back 3, I now have 6. All right, so I would suggest using your counters if you have counters at home. In class, we will continue on with this lesson on Tuesday. So now let's go ahead and turn to page 154. Turning to page 154. So on page 154, we are going to continue to count back to subtract. So we're going to start at 8. So that means we need to place 8 counters in front of us. We have 8 counters in front of us, and we're going to count back 1. So if we count back 1, we count back to number 7. So for number 1, we will place 5 counters in front of us, and we are going to count back 1, or subtract 1. So if I count back 1, I would land on 4. If I count back 2, so if I have 5 counters and I count back 2, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I count back 1, 2, I land on 3. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. All right, so for independent practice, my first graders, you are going to finish page 154. And you will stop there and we will proceed with this lesson on Tuesday. I hope you have a good morning. Talk to you soon.